Hi, this is Maria from the Tarot Shop here with an unboxing, a walkthrough of the Ukiyo Tarot. Now this is a Japanese deck, well it's actually a low scarabeo deck, on the concept of a Japanese floating world it's called. So I'll tell you what it is at the beginning. So the Japanese term Ukiyo literally means floating world, embodies an artistic and cultural concept that developed in Japan during the Edo period, 1603 to 1868. So it evokes the essence of the impermanence and transience of human experiences, as well as an urban lifestyle dedicated to the pursuit of pleasure in all its forms. It is precisely a careful historical and artistic reflection on this term that inspired the artwork of this tarot deck. I won't read it all, but it's a key to interpreting these tarot cards. You've got them basically some spread suggestions, and then you have all of the cards. Now, it just gives you a description of the card. There's no illustrations here and then. I think you go to yeah, okay, so this is a different, so those are all the English pages. You have everything you need there, and then it's multilingual. So that's the little booklet that comes with it. I've taken this, yeah, that's just the cover card. A little box that it comes in. It's absolutely gorgeous artwork, I have to say. When I saw it originally, I can't get the deck open now. I struggle with boxes, actually, that's me. There we go. When I saw the paperwork, or I saw it at the illustrations, I was like, it is beautiful. And it doesn't disappoint. It's very, very, very gorgeous. And you'll feel it as we're going through it. It's based on the Rider-Waite imagery, so you can pick it up as a next step for your Rider-Waite. It's gorgeous. You can't even imagine how long it must have taken to design this deck, really. She's in the water. I don't know how you feel about the eyes. A lot of the eyes have got like a red tinge to them, or a red surround. Okay, then we're into the suits. Look at this. I mean, it's just stunning, isn't it? Ride off into the sunset, happy ever after. The court card. And then we have the pentacles. This is the first time that I've gone through every single card. Hence the silence. Oh my goodness. What do you think? Let me know. Flames. Oh, she's got a little black cat on her lap in this one. And then we finish with the sword suit. Quite something, don't you agree? Okay, so that is the Ukiyo. Is it? I'm assuming that's how you say it. Ukiyo Tarot by Pietro Torino. And those are the cover cards. So I hope that you found that interesting. And thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.